Welcome everyone. So this is a very tricky question. We have 2 raised to x plus 4 raised to x is equals to 8 raised to x. So what we can do is we'll try to do something which is very obvious. We can write this as nothing but what 2 raised to 2x. This can be written as 2 raised to 3x. Then we'll say let 2 raised to x equals to a. Okay. So what happens over here is you get a plus a square equals to a cube. Now please understand a is what equal to 2 raised to x. Okay, so whenever you have something like this, you can directly say a value cannot be 0, because if a value is 0 and when you take the value of, when you try to find the value of x, you will have to take log of both sides. Okay, so you can't take log of 0. The value of a can't be 0 and value of a can't be negative. Remember, this is very important. Okay, so now let's try and solve this further. We can shift everything on this side of the equal to a cube minus a square, or rather minus a square, and let's remove this square over here. So we will have equals to 0. Now we'll take a common, so we have a square minus a minus 1 equals to 0. So now again here I'll say a equals to 0. That is not possible, I've already explained you. So now I can say a square minus a minus 1 equals to 0. That is my only option. Okay, now in order to solve this, I can't factorize this directly. So let's try and solve this using the quadratic formula. So that is what the quadratic formula is, nothing but what, minus of a coefficient. What is coefficient of a? Negative 1. So minus of minus 1 gets you plus 1, plus minus root of square of a coefficient, that is what, minus 1 square, that gets you 1, minus 4 into constant which is negative 1 into coefficient of a square, that is 1. Okay, then we have 2 into coefficient of 1, that is so coefficient of a square, that is 1. Okay, so now what happens over here is, again I can say that a becomes what, 1 plus minus root of 5 upon 2. Now understand, I can't have a negative value. 1 minus root 5 will get you a negative value. So I will just have a single value of a, that is 1 plus root 5 upon 2. Now still here you have not found the value of x. So here this is equals to 2 raised to x. Now in order to find the value of x, you will take log on both sides. Log of 1 plus root 5 upon 2 equals to log 2 to the power x. Now we know that log of a upon b is nothing but what, log of numerator, that is 1 plus root 5 minus log of denominator, minus log 2. This will become x log 2, because whenever you have an index in log, it will go ahead. Okay, it will get multiplied in front. So here in order to find the value of x, therefore I can just say x dividing both sides by log 2, I will get log of 1 plus root 5 minus log 2 upon log 2. This is the only value of x which is satisfying this particular question. Do like, share and subscribe for many such videos.